Okay, welcome to Ron's car poop video. This is the results of one overnight poop fest. Not sure what kind of birds they are, but anyway, here we go. One more right there. I don't know if camera's getting this. It's kind of sunny out. One more right there. Couple over there. Couple of nice poop bombs right there. Let's go to the windshield. There's one. Couple more there. Let's go to the hood. Yeah. Get a little long shot here. There's the hood long shot, more or less. Couple more right there. I think we already saw those. And don't forget these two right here. Little brown specials. Okay. That's one overnight effort. Ooh, I forgot one over here. Wow. Okay. Bye.